Okay, let's start. Sit properly. It's okay. Hands on the table. Very good. What color is this? What color is this? Look at the board. This is color green. Green. Verde. Lutian. Look at here. I know. What is one? Purple. Lila. Yes, that's purple. Lila. How about this one? Orange. Look at the orange. Oh, no. Ilayan natin. Orange. Orange. Lila. Orange. Lila. This one. Yellow. Yellow. Look at here, Bella. Bella, look at here. Yellow. Dilaw. 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 Yellow. Dilaw. Dilaw. Look at here. Yellow. Dilaw. Bella, look at here. Bella, eyes on the board. Okay. Hold the marker. Help teacher, okay? What color is this? Green. Is this? Green. Very good. Let's copy this one. Triangle. Downward. Next. What color is this? What color is this?
Green.
Orange. That's orange. Where's orange? Here. Going to the left, right. Orange, left, right. Orange. Look at the paper. Look at the board. Orange, right. Look at here, Bella. Orange, right. Very good. This one. What color is this? What color is this?
Green.
Green. Now, green is downward. Look at here, Bella. Downward. Very good. This one, purple. Upward. This one, upward. Upward. Very good. This one, yellow. To the left. What color is this? Yeah. Yellow. This is yellow. Going to the left. Yellow. Very good. And this one is orange. Say orange. 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 Going to the right. Look at here, Bella. Bella, look at here. Bella, look at the board. Look at the board, Bella. Right. Good job.
Tapos nakita niya si Rafa. Tapos tinawag ko siya na Rafa. No, Rafa, natandaan niya. Ay, pag naman siya, matuwa siya kanina. Sabi ko, sino susunod siya? Sabi ko,
Bella, come here na. Bella. Bella. Bella, come here na. Bella, stand up. Ay, hindi. Stand up na. Stand up na. Let's go. Or to your chair. Bella, give it to the teacher. Give it to the teacher. Give it to the teacher. Well, give it to the teacher. We'll start with our activity now. Good job. Yes. This one. Wow. Wait for teacher, okay? Picture, okay? Okay. Leia, andito na sila na. Andito na yan. Magpunta again, one by one. Wow. What are this? These are clothespin. These are clothespin. Wait for teacher. Wait for teacher. You need to write, okay? You need to write. Okay. Ay, hindi po pwede. Look at here. Oh, look at here. Ala. Takot ikaw. No, 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 no. Ala. Then, you may think so. Teacher will help you. It's okay. Ala. Ala, look at here. Hindi po pwede. Look at teacher. Look at hero. Bella. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Look at here. Open and close. Open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. Look at here. Close. Look at here. Open, close. Look at here. Bella. Bella, look at here. One, now look at here. Next one. Two. Three. Three. Ano ito? Four. Oh. This is Bella. Four. Oh, teacher. Now, teacher. Just try muna. Try muna. Try. Oh, I know. Try. It's okay. Try. Bella. Huh? Try muna. Try muna. Bella. Open. Close. 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 Open. Ay, hold it. Bella, what are you doing? Ayaw? Takot? Ha? Look at here. Look at teacher. 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 Bella. Bella, look at here. Bella, look at here. Hi. Just try. Just try. Just try. Wala po. Wala po. It's okay. Look at here. Close, open. Let's have it. Close, open. Close, open. Okay. Hold it properly. Good job.
Careful, careful. Baka
Next.
mahulog siya ng
White.
hapa. Malulog ka dyan. Shoot.
Here.
Last 5.
Blue. Look at the blue.
Careful.
Focus, Bella. Focus here. Focus yours. Focus on your activity. Look at here.
Go. One lang.
Okay, next is at white. White. Look at here. Oops. Look at here, Bella.
Careful.
White. Bella, look at here. Bella, look at here.
Last 3.
Bella, look at here.
Careful.
Eyes on the clothespin. Look at here. Green. Look at green. Look at the green. Green. Green, Bella.
One lang.
Focus here. Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
Very good.
Last one.
This one.
Go. Go lang.
Look at here. Okay.
Good
Last
job.
three.
Basta
Last
tayo
three.
na sila. Okay.
Last three.
Last na. Water. Dahil na.
Last three na. Last three na.
Go.
Three.
Tatlo.
Dalawa.
Yeah.
Dalawa. Red. Dalawa.
I-finish no.
Dalawa. At isa.
You want more? You want
Isa.
more?
Very good. Wow. Good job. High five. Give each other a high five. High five. Very good. Oh, well done. Well done.
Water.
Very good now. Follow naman eh, di ba? Bella, sit properly. Sit properly. No standing, okay? No standing. Sit properly. Move your chair. Look at here. Let's start on the pencil. Listen to teacher. On the pencil. Very good. This is this is pula. Where is pula here? Look at here. Can you point out where is pula? This is pula. Bella, listen to teacher. Pula. Can you point out? Point out. Go. Point out. Pula. Pula. Move your fingers. Move your fingers. Pula. 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 Point out. Go. Pula. Go. Point out. Pula. Pu. Okay. Pula. Look at here. Pula. Bella. Bella. Look at here. Bella. Hands on the table. Pula. Pula. Red. Pula. Open your mouth. Pula. 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 Go. Teacher to connect. Go. Look at the paper. I want you to look at the paper. Look at the paper, Bella. Bella, look at the paper. Pula going to pula. Red. Pula. This one, bughaw. This one. Point out the this point out the blue. Point out the blue one. Look at here. Point out bughaw. Say bughaw. Look at here. Look at teacher. Look at teacher. Bughaw. Bughaw. Yes, I know. You don't like it, but you need to listen to teacher. Listen and follow, okay? Just listen and follow. Look at here. Bughaw. Sit properly. Sit properly, Bella. Sit properly. Bughaw. Look at here, Bella. Bughaw. Look at here, bughaw. Look at here, Bella. Bughaw. No. Bughaw. Look at the paper. Just look at the paper. I know. Look at the paper. Bughaw. Look at the paper. Bella, listen. Listen. Bughaw. Going to blue. Very good. How about Nandian? Luntian. Luntian. Bella. Bella. Luntian. Luntian is green. Luntian. Luntian. Look at here. Bella. Bella. Luntian. 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 This one. Bella. Look at here. Luntian. Luntian. Bella. Luntian. Bella. Hands on the table. Ay, stop. Kita sa window, sige, para wala ka na makitang alphabet. Look at here. D ay luntian. Putik, brown. Putik, brown. Putik. How about gray? Abo. Gray. Gray, abo. Next, gray, abo. Look at here. Gray. Look at the paper, Bella. Back. Gray, abo. Gray, abo. Open your mouth. Hi, it's okay. I know. Look at teacher. I know. You're distracted. Look at you. Abo. 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 Putik. White. Putik. 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 Itim. 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 This one. Abo. Look at abo. Look at gray. 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 Abo. Look at here. Abo. 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 Gray. Abo. Abo. Putik. Look at putik. Look at putik. Look at putik. 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 Look at here. Putik. Yes. Hands on the table. Putik. Look at here. Bella. Bella. Hands on the table. Abo. Putik. Itim. Itim. This is itim. Itim. Black. Itim. Look at here. Look at here, Bella. Itim. This is. Look at here. Look at teacher. Stop singing, Bella. 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 1, 2. No. Itim. This is itim. Look at teacher's jacket. Itim. Itim. This one. The paper is abo. This is abo. Gray. Abo. Yes, abo. Abo. Let's start na. Look at here.
Nalaglag before.
Luntian. Going to green. Lila. Purple. Lila. Ay, continue. Lila. Look at lila. Look at lila. No. Bella. Bella. Look at here. No. Bella. No po. Look at here. Lila.
Wow, that's a bunny.
Hey, bunny.
Teka lang.
Asan?
It's a sweet.
That's not a bunny. That's a rabbit. That's a rabbit.
It's a cat.
Sit down.
Come on.
Tiny book. Tiny book. One. A yellow. Yellow.
No, that's not yellow. That's orange. Look at here na. Bella. Continue na. Continue. Lila. Look at lila. Lila. Go. Lila. Next is abo. Look at here. Abo. Go. Abo. And look at the paper. Look at the paper po, Bella girl. Abo. Look at here. No. Abo. Look at here. Bella. Abo.
Wait lang.
Abo. Itim. Here. Itim. Very good. Next one. Puti. Oops. Look at the paper. Puti. Look at the paper. Puti. Bella. Listen to teacher. Listen. I said listen. Listen. Okay. Listen. Okay. Listen. Look at here. Puti. Puti. Oh, look at puti. 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 Next one is dilaw. Yellow. Dilaw. Ah, look at dilaw. Bella, look at here. Dilaw. Yes, dilaw. Very good. Ay, look at the paper. Dilaw. Very good. This one, rosas. Pink. Rosas. Aha. Rosas. Next one. Very good. This one, kahel. Kahel to orange. Kahel. Kahel. Orange. Kahel. Oh, last one. Last one. Putik. Look at here. Putik. Look at here. Putik. Look at here. Bella. Putik. 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 Can you say putik? Kayo manggi for brown. Putik. Yes. Oh, look at here. Bella, sit properly. Bella. Putik. Putik. Say putik. Putik. Later, we will watch again Tagalog colors, okay? Look at here. Yes. Sit properly. Look at here. Putik. 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 Go. Putik. Putik. I want you to look at the paper. Okay, Bella, let's start. I'll give it to the teacher. Give it to the teacher. Very good. Good job. Let's start now with our activity. This is Tagalog colors. Tagalog colors. Here's the pencil. Let's start discussing the Tagalog colors. This is color blue. Bughaw. Blue. Bughaw. Look at here. Blue. Bughaw. Red. Pula. Red. Pula. Kahel. Orange. Kahel. Orange. Yellow. Dilaw. Yellow. Dilaw. Next. Look at here. Look at green. Nice on the paper. Green. Lundian. Green. Lundian. Next. Look at here. Focus on the paper. Focus on the paper. Focus on your activity. Purple. Yes. Purple. Lila. Look at here. Purple. Lila. Look at here, Bella. Purple. Lila. Lila. Next one. This one is pink. Rosa. 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 This one is brown. Putik. Or kayo manggi. Putik. Putik. Good job. Look at here. Good job. Eye focus. Very good. Look at here. Gray. Abo. Gray. Abo. Gray. Abo. Look at here. Puti. Puti. Look at white. Wow. Yes. White. Look at here. Look at the paper. Look at the paper, Bella. Bella, look at the paper. White. Look at white. White. Look at white. Look at here. White. Bella. Bella, look at the paper. Look at the paper. Bella. Look at here. White. White. Puti. Puti. How about the black one? This one. Not yet. For the balance there. Itim. Black. Look at here. Itim. Itim. Very good.
Excited siya, no? Ang dami ng dito.
Next
Sa
one.
sa labas?
Ito.
Grabe.
Look at here. Bughaw.
Legend.
Bughaw. Pula. Pula. Look at your arm. There's a pula. Pula. Look at here. Pula. Yes. This is pula. How about the table? Bughaw. This is the table. Bughaw. Bughaw. Look at here. Bughaw. Bella. Bughaw. This one. Kahel. Look at kahel. Ay, look at the paper. Look at the paper. Kahel. 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 Dilaw. Up. I said the paper. Dilaw. Dilaw. Look at here, Bella. Dilaw. Oh, look at here. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Look at the teacher. Focus on the paper. Up. Focus on the paper. Focus on the paper. Look at here. Eyes on here. Eyes on here. Look at here. Dilaw. Luntian. Luntian. Yes. This is lila. Ay. Lila. Look at lila. Purple. Lila. Lila. Look at here. Lila. Lila. How about this one?
Yeah.
This one. Rosas. No, look at me. Yeah. Hindi natin na-remove yan. Very good. Sige. Lila. Rosas. 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 Look at rosas. Sit properly, Bella girl. It's okay. I know you don't want Tagalog. But you need to listen. You need to listen. Look at here. You need to listen, Bella, okay? Abo. Look at the paper. Abo. Look at the paper. Abo. Abo. Look at here. Abo. Abo. Look at here. Look at teacher. Look at teacher. Up. Abo. No, we're not going to sing. We're not going to sing alphabets. Ups. Look at here. Stop singing, Bella. Listen here. Listen. Abo. Abo. Ay, no. Okay, I know.
Orange.
Orange. No, we're not going to sing alphabet. Look at here. Brown. Look at the brown. Brown. Puti. Brown. Brown. Puti. Paper. I want you to look at the paper. Bella. Bella. I'm proud of you. Singing na.
Bonnie.
Bonnie, walang bunny dyan. That's a rabbit, Bella. Look at here. Look at here. Bella. Look at here. Look at the paper. No, sige, hahanap kita dito. Palit tayong pen. First na gusto mo. Stop, Bella. Stop singing na.
It's orange.
Orange. Sit down. Bella, look at here. Last one na. Putik na, oh. Putik. Oh, putik. This one. Putik. Brown. Kayo monkey. Alright, your name. B. Move your head. Move your body. Bella. Look at teacher. Look at teacher. Look at teacher. B. B. E. E. L. L. A. Bella. Bella. Wow. Like B. L. Y. Y. Look at Y. Look at Y, Bella. Bella, Y. Why the Y? Y. Y. Look at the paper. Look at the paper, Bella. Y. Y. Ay. Y na po tayo. Y. Y. C. Up. Sit properly. Bakit pura ka tayo na ikaw? Tayo, tayo, tayo. Tayo, sit. Okay. Tayo, move your chair. Up. Ayan, palala. Go. Bella, listen kay teacher. Listen. C. Listen. T. T. I. H. Oh, look at the H. H.
Are you sure this is a
B.
I don't know.
Right.
They are
Wow.
scary dinosaur. Sing we song was we sing was sing. And playground.
Okay, next one. Okay, so the table, Bella.
I want playground.
Look at here. Get the pencil. And do this, but first you need to write your name, okay? Get your pencil here. Get your pencil. Get your pencil. Akio, quiet hands. Quiet hands. Quiet hands, Akio. Quiet hands. Go. Go. Do the bathroom. Get your pencil. Wow, you two. Let's color this one. Color the flowers. And the same shadows. Get a color. Get a color. Get one. Get a color. Go. Pick one. Bella. Pick one. Get. You want red? Okay. Akio, continue. Akio. Focus. Focus. Now look at here, Bella. Let's face the first line. One. Okay, next. I'll get another color. Get another color. Next. Get one. Get another color. Okay. Next is blue. Blue or indigo ba to? Is this an indigo? Ah, this is a purple. Purple. Akio, I see you. Write your name. Write your name, yes. Hold it properly. Move. Go. Ay, no, Bella. Go. Wait for teacher, okay? 2. Next. Oh, get another color. Get another color. You want brown? You want brown? Okay, sure. Okay, here's the third line. Next. Okay, next one. Get another color. Pink. Can you say pink? Pink. Is there pink? Open your mouth, Bella. Very good, Kuya Aki. I see you. Look at here. Down. Ay, look at here. Look at here. Bella. Eyes on the paper, Bella. Come. Yes. Next. I'll get another color. Bella. Get another color. Bella. I'll get another color. Another color. Get a crayon. Okay. This one. Down. Good job, Kuya Aki. That's right. Next. Purple again. This one. You want this one for a cloud? What color the cloud? Wow! It's a pink. Rosas. Isa. Rosas. Look at here. Look at the paper, Bella. Bella. Focus here. Focus here. Focus here, Bella. Focus here. Teacher will check it later on, Kuya Aki, ha? Look at here, Bella. Bella girl. Bella girl.